Well, it's a special from the AWS conclave, AI conclave, and this is an AIM special. And we have the Chief Information Officer of J&K Bank, Mr. Mohammed Muzzafar Wani. Welcome to the show, sir. How are you doing?
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Right off the bat, I'd like to ask you, sir, how has the entire experience been at the AWS conclave from the banking industry point of view?
No, it has been great. You know, seeing what kind of innovation is coming into the banking sector. Uh, we have witnessed some interesting use cases here, which other banks have implemented. I think banks like J&K Bank would benefit a lot from our peers. From their experiences. These platforms are a rare opportunity for understanding and getting insights what are the developments happening around the technology innovations. Technology is changing very fast. It's very important that we keep ourselves updated about the new trends in technology, about the new opportunities that are emerging as a result of those innovations. So, from that perspective, this platform it is very nice to attend such platforms.
Right.
Yes, yes,
But sir, tell me this. I mean, it is one of the most highly regulated sectors that you work with
yeah,
and have been for so many years.
yeah,
How has AI and tech been able to, for example, open up new pathways,
yes.
or for that matter, create challenges, if at all?
The AI, well, on one side, it brings huge opportunities for all the businesses. Banks are not an exception. There are certain challenges, certain risks also associated with AI. So while you rightly said that banking industry is one of the most regulated
Yeah.
industries, and rightly so.
Yeah.
So we have to keep in mind that we have adequate checks and balances. We are on the right side of the compliances. So that is there, but we cannot afford to miss out uh, on the
Sure.
on the developments that are happening around across the industries because of AI, right? So while it is regulated, but we have within the frameworks of regulations enough room to introduce such innovations in our bank. So and we have done that in the past as well. And our endeavor has been to keep pace with the changing technologies and while being compliant with the regulatory guidelines. Yes. Those are the red lines
Sure,
that
obviously.
we have to ensure that we don't cross them. Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
How has AWS, sir, as a platform assisted, let's say, J&K Bank
Yeah.
specifically
Yeah.
from the compliances point of view, from the customer experiences point of view,
Yeah.
all of the areas which are key?
So, so first compliance. We were very keen to say adopt cloud technologies, but there were no clear guidelines from the RBI, so which kept us a bit back. We are a private sector, an old private sector bank, but we are kind of a public sector as well because our majority of the shareholding lies with the J&K government.
Sure.
So from that perspective, we are kind of a public sector as well. So we have to ensure that we are well aligned with the guidelines. We cannot afford to violate any of the regulations. So from that angle, RBI actually came out with the outsourcing guidelines in, I believe, April 2023. That actually gave an opportunity. We immediately, had a policy framework in place within the bank and started adopting cloud. So that was the first, major engagement that we had with AWS.
Hmm.
And we first introduced cloud in our UPI payments systems, and that really from the customer experience you were talking about, it was a phenomenal experience that we had because of the scalability
You were
that the
able to
cloud,
achieve.
yes, that the cloud provides and offers. And our transactions, UPI transactions, uh, you know unbelievably and exponentially they started growing once we adopted cloud because it gave a different kind of an experience to the customers. And I'm glad to share that within a year of adopting the cloud technology for UPI, we were able to scale up the transaction volumes by 5x.
Wow.
Yeah. So that is the kind of impact, and the experience of the customers has been amazing. So, and now we are looking into engaging for different other requirements. We are already implementing, or in fact, we have already implemented an advanced analytics data platform within the bank, which is actually driven by AWS technologies. So that is another uh, really huge innovation that has come into the bank, and which is helping the bank to scale up its business as well as improve its customer experience.
Finally, sir, of course, I'd like to ask you this.
Yeah.
What would you like to share as a message or as a takeaway with all the banking leaders
Yes.
regarding their adoption as far as as far as AI is concerned, as far as their journey with tech and data is concerned moving forward? What would you like to say to them?
Yeah, I think the approach has been cautiously optimistic for all the banks. I think that is the way forward as far as AI, Gen AI, agentic AI is concerned. As I said, AI brings tremendous opportunities, but on the other side, it has its own risks.
Sure.
So the right guardrails have to be in place in order to ensure that we end up with right benefits from the AI, and we don't risk into compromising suppose the data of the customer, compromising on the safety security of the data,
Yeah, because
compromising on yes on the other transactional risks and all. So all the guardrails, within those guardrails, adopting AI is the way forward. Yes.
fabulous. All right, sir. One final message to you you'd like to give to people who are watching who could not attend this year,
Yeah.
but your takeaway and which might encourage and motivate them to be constantly at a conclave like this moving forward.
I think amazing experience. You know, uh, these are platforms wherein you get an opportunity to interact, engage with other leaders, other peers. You get an opportunity to witness the kind of innovation that is happening around. It is happening at a rapid pace, so it is important that we keep ourselves updated in order to derive real benefits from these innovations. So be
Be part of the
ensure be part of these platforms.
platforms.
Yeah, very
Fabulously
important.
said.
Very important.
Pleasure to have you with us today, sir.
Thank you so much.
And of course, wishing you and the bank all of the best moving forward in terms of the adoption of new technology. Think AI.
Thank you.
Think AI.